I bought and tested two of Amazon's most popular wrist braces to give some wrist support. I work at a computer all day long and a mouse, and sometimes my wrist just needs some support. It's also good for carpal tunnel and everything else that you're just looking for support for. Right over here, we got the ComfyBrace. This is going to be the TheraICE. Can't go wrong with either one of these. They do very similar things, but there are some key differences between the two. I'm going to cover all that and everything you could possibly want to know. Can you wash them? Can you wear them overnight? We're going to cover all of that in this video. So let's just get into it. We're going to start with the ComfyBrace first. So you're going to get two of these right over here. I have this right over here because we can see how if these work with, if can you type with it and all that stuff. So you're going to get two of them right here. These work for either hand, come in this box right over here. That's where I kind of store the gloves. So this is Velcro adjustable. So what you do is you just kind of open these up just like this. You'll see you have this nice little stretchiness right over here. This is one size fits all. So you have to worry about that. And this material is very breathable. You don't have to worry about like your hand getting hot and like sweaty and the thing gets gross. You're literally just going to slide your entire hand just like that in here, and you want your thumb to come right out there, and then you're good to go right over here. We have a little beat, like kind of cushioning being here. This is great to kind of like rest your hand, or you can kind of push on this like that if you kind of want to do some exercise like that. And then you just kind of tie this up just like that. And you can make this as tight or not tight as you want. There is a splint right in here as well to kind of give you some additional support. And this is kind of what it looks like on the wrist just right over here. In terms of typing, it's going to be hard to type with this and move a mouse. So just know that this is more for, you're sitting watching TV or you're just looking for some extra relief. These, you're just going to want to wear these. And of course, you get two of them. This is not machine washable. You're going to want to wash these by hand and let them air dry. Now, let's take a quick look at the TheraICE ones right over here. And then I'll tell you the pros, the cons, and everything else. All right, so these are the TheraICE ones right over here. This works for either hand as well. What you do with this one, just put it in right there. We got a nice little mesh. This is like almost wearing an ice pack. If you've ever worn an ice pack, really, really nice. You get a lot of hand movement on these, so it doesn't restrict you. You could definitely type with this if you wanted to do that. You do have that option, or move a mouse or something like that. So if you kind of want a little relief and want to work at the same time, you do have that option. Now, this is hot and cold. So if you want this cold, what you're going to do, it comes with this bag right over here. It comes in this bag right over here. But you're going to put it in this bag and you're going to put it in the freezer. You could use a Ziploc bag. You could use whatever you want. You just don't want to put this on your freezer like in there and get it dirty. That's kind of the only reason why you'd put it in a bag. Put it in there for 2 hours. Take it out, put it on. You are good to go. It's a little too cold for you, just let it sit on the counter until it's the temperature that you want. Now, in terms of heat, you're going to put this in the microwave. You are not going to put it in the bag. You're going to put it in for about 15 seconds. If it's the perfect temp for you, great. If it's not, do another 5 seconds. If that's not it, do another 5 seconds and repeat it until you get it going. If it's too hot for you after 15 seconds, just let it sit out. Now, let's go over kind of like some of the differences between the two of these. Right off the bat, difference, the ComfyBrace, you are going to get two of these right over here. For the ThermaICE, you're getting one. These ComfyBraces can be worn overnight. The ThermaICE, it is meant to be worn for about 15 to 20 minutes at a time. In terms of support, the ThermaICE is a little bit looser. It's not as tight, but this one is just more, I feel like it's like just for more relief. Like you just kind of want a nice little ice all over your wrist. It is 360. For the ThermaICE, you can do typing and stuff like that. Your hand is basically free. Your fingers are super free. For the ComfyBrace, your fingers are not free. It does give a little bit more wrist support though. So what I would say is if you are looking for some wrist relief, kind of that hot cold therapy, the ThermaICE will be for you. If you're looking for more support, something you can sleep with overnight, and you're kind of just want to, you're not looking to work when you're wearing this, I would say the Comfy Brace is for you. You can't go wrong with either one of these. Maybe get one of each. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right wrist brace for you.